Mississauga's business landscape isn't built on luck. It's built on scale, speed, and relentless execution. With over 98,000 businesses, 1,400 multinationals, and 75 Fortune 500 companies operating here, the stakes for getting IT wrong have never been higher. Jason Stitt, co-founder of IT Force, doesn't mince words. If you're waiting for the right moment, you've already missed it. Mississauga rewards the bold and punishes the hesitant. Mississauga's top industries, manufacturing, logistics, life sciences, financial services, and tech, don't operate in silos. They amplify each other, and the businesses that plug into that network gain a compounding advantage. But the threats are just as real. Manufacturing faces 26% of all cyber attacks. Mid-sized firms account for 30% of ransomware victims. And retail carries 3 times the baseline risk. The managed IT services industry is projected to reach $878.71 billion by 2032. And Mississauga's tech ecosystem is already positioned to ride that wave. The companies winning here aren't waiting for conditions to improve. They're engineering outcomes right now. You can read the full article on our website, and feel free to add us to your Spotify playlist.